everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be sharing with you the benefits of lemon water. I am here today to share with you what I have benefited from drinking lemon water, how it has benefited my body, my hair and my skin. So, you know, I can't do without sharing this with you. If I find out something really nice, I always love to share with my subscribers. I want to watch till the end. I am also going to be sharing with you how I prepare my lemon water, and I'm very sure that if you're out there watching me and you've not been drinking lemon water in the morning, first thing in the morning, you want to start incorporating that after watching this video. Definitely stay tuned till the end of this video, because this video is of great benefit and especially made for you who doesn't want to glow, who doesn't want that radiant skin, who doesn't want to look young. Definitely keep watching. Watching me for the first time and you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, hit it now before watching this video. Also hit that bell. That bell will notify you whenever I upload a new video, so you also want to hit the bell as well. Okay, get into this video. You want that glow from the inside, you want to look beautiful, you want to look yummy. Summer is almost here, so we want to look, you know, sexy, glowing and all those good stuff. Simple, you know, just, you know, watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be showing you how you are going to prepare this remedy. Okay, so you want to make sure you watch this video to the end, because this video is packaged for you. Let us quickly look at the benefits of lemon water. Okay, what lemon can do to our body, to our hair and to our skin. Okay, lemon is rich in vitamin C, vitamin B, phosphorus, potassium and calcium. Lemon is good for the skin, it's good for the hair and it's good for the body. So first, let's look at the benefits of lemon to the skin. For the skin, it's full of antioxidants, helps restore damaged skin cells. It will help you to get rid of fine lines, blemishes and wrinkles. Lemon water will also purify your blood. It will keep your skin glowing and clear, radiant. It will also help to clear skin infection. Look at what it does for our hair. Lemon water in the morning can help strengthen your hair. It will help your hair follicles to be strong, healthy and shine. Lemon contains the essential benefits that aids in hair growth, such as vitamin C, vitamin B, potassium. It can also help to treat dandruff and dry. For your body, lemon water will help you to lose weight. It will detoxify your liver. It will strengthen and boost your immune system. It will cleanse your tummy. It will help to treat indigestion, help your metabolism. It can help get rid of bloating. It will give you an immediate boost of energy in the morning. So you see why it's great to take lemon water first thing in the morning. So guys, first thing you want to do is rub your lemon, just like I'm doing here. So you can use extractor if you've got extractor, but right now I'm doing it the natural way. So right now you're going to use your grater to get the zest out of the lemon. So you want to be really gentle when doing this, because the only thing you want to get out of it is the zest. So you want to be really careful. So sorry, I almost forgot, you also need to wash your lemon. Make sure your lemon is nice and clean. That's very important. So right now I'm just going to squeeze the lemon juice right inside my warm water. So you want to cut the rest of the lemon and also add it into the water. And also the zest has lots of benefits as well. It fights cancer, improves bone health, it improves skin conditions. Next, I'm gonna add my honey and give it a good stir. So lemon has lots of benefits that I did not mention in this video. Please Google it and find out more about the benefits of lemon. And here you have your lemon water. I take my lemon water first thing in the morning before breakfast, and I give myself like 30 or an hour before having my breakfast. I'm not an early eater, so first thing I want to do in the morning is take my lemon water first of all. and this has helped me a lot. And I said, why can't I share this with you? You know, I'm a mom of 3. Drinking lemon water in the morning has helped me a lot to be able to attend to my children in the morning. And also during the day, I will add a little bit of lemon to my water and drink it in the day. Come back and tell me how you feel about this, if you've used it. And if you're using it presently, what do you think about it? Also comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you all in my next video. And if you feel that this video has been of great benefit, please go on and hit that subscribe button. I upload videos twice or once every week, depending on my availability. Anytime you come on here, you can always get something to watch from me. So thank you so much for all my wonderful and amazing subscribers out there. You also want to please follow me on Instagram, and I'm also on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Shedding lately. 2, lack of 3. This video is definitely